This is now the compost starter, which is basically a mix of different microorganisms, basically different strings of fungi and bacteria and actinomycetes. Actinomycetes is a special string of bacteria which specifically is active in building up humus. Now they are in a stable form, in a sleeping mode, adding them with water, and then through shaking, adding also some oxygen, they're gonna wake up. And as a sign that they start breathing, that they start living and start multiplying, one sees on top of the water a foam, which is basically the carbon dioxide, which is the same effect like if you shake a Fanta or beer or whatever contains carbon dioxide, it makes a foam on top. So they are now activated, fully active, starting to multiply. So we're going to put them into the manure, which is the environment they like the most because they have freely volatile available nitrogen and other types of trace elements. So we put them in here so they start spreading and infiltrating the windrow below and above.
And you mentioned earlier that the farmers here can produce their own compost starters?
Yes, I mean this is obviously a very concentrated form of, it's only microbes, but they have all the ingredients on their farm because any decomposting process takes place only with the presence of microbes. So any half decomposed banana leaf, tea bush branch, coffee leaf, whatever, has a lot of microbes on it. So what we're going to show them is how to use those microbes, collect those microbes, concentrate them, let them grow in a growing media, which is basically half-made compost where the highest activity takes place, and then they can use it for further composting. It's less effective than this. So here we apply now about 10 gram for the whole 20 grams, so it's 10 gram per cubic meter, and they will have to apply, let's say, 2 kilos, but still it's, I think, a better solution if they can produce it themselves. It's a little less effective, but they can produce it themselves and are not dependent on imports.